Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the Trade What You See indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Trade What You See indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 49 different strategies, with 13 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 537 indicators, with 230 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. And keep in mind that we test all these strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Alright, so today's indicator is the Trade What You See indicator, and you can see it here on screen. So we have a combination of a few things going on here. But basically what we are looking for is when we get a downward trend indicated by the red cloud and the down mark or the down tag here. We are looking for red candles for a short entry signals. And when we have the green cloud, like you can see here in the green up label, then what we are looking for is the green candles for an entry signal. And so you can see that we get it here, then it comes down, rides this way for a while, and then we get another green here. So that would be an entry and an entry type situation. So that's what we're looking for. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. Alright, so the first signal that we picked up was a long signal. You can see it right here, just like we spoke about a moment ago. So we have the green cloud, the green kind of up tag here, giving us our overall trend direction. And price pulls back and gives us these yellow candles. And then we see that price then breaks to the upside there and starts to create these green candles. And that would be our long entry right there. Price action pushes up really nicely and gets us to take profit on that one. Then over here on this side, we pick up a short, And so immediately as we pick up the downtrend cloud, and this is basically like a super trend. And so as soon as we pick up the super trend downward trend signal here, the red cloud, you can see that we also have the red candles as a short. And then this one right here is another short. You can see that we get these yellow candles push down for a red. Unfortunately on this one though, we get a push to the upside before we can hit our take profit, and that one gets us stopped out. I'm going to go ahead and continue on. All right, so we pick up a long trade here. So similar setup, we get the green signal, the green cloud, and a green bar in coloration. We get a little bit of a pullback and then a push to the upside, which gets us to take profit. We pick up a green bar for just a moment right here. Just one little bar turned green, and that would have been an entry long. But unfortunately, you can see the price immediately pushes downward, stops us out on that one, but then gives us a short entry right here. Red cloud, red signal, and red bar. We we push down and kind of consolidate a little bit here before we really push down a little bit more and come down and hit our take profit on that one. What I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we're at the end of the year. All right, so that puts us at the end of the year right there. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay and some of the regular members post regular market analysis, where they put up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly when they're entering trades, exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested, that we have recently had transferred over into an Excel sheet. And so you'll get access to the Excel sheet and the PDF of all the indicators, showing exactly which indicators were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates. And you'll get access to a Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested. That shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those individual videos. And another new thing that we've been doing here recently is one of our other members has put together a small handful of profitable optimized indicators that we are giving away to all the patrons for free. So there is a ton of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. Everything back in focus right there. Good. Let's go ahead and count these out. Let's see what we got out of them. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So I have 14 trades all together. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. 11 winning trades. So that's a really decent win rate on that. A respectable number of trades in a year. 14 is not too bad. All in all, this was a really solid indicator. I mean, obviously has quite a few really popular indicators meshed together. And so in that aspect, it's kind of a trading system all of its own. But the win rate was super solid. Definitely a decent indicator or strategy to use. So this one is definitely going to go on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next indicator from here.